Hi everyone, welcome to Abhishek Pun Technologies. This is Abhishek. In this video, I am continuing the operators. Now I am going to start the relational operators. So what are the rules of relational operators? They are used to check the relation between expression is true or false. If the relation is true, it returns 1. And if the relation is false, it returns 0. These are the examples of relational operators. Now observe here, in double quotation, capital ABC equal to, in double quotation, capital ABC. The expression is false. Why? Because direct string comparison is not allowed in C language. Here, in single quotation, small b is equal to 98. The expression is true. Why? Because the ASCII value of small b is 98. Here, in single quotation, small c is greater than or equal to, in single quotation, capital C. The expression is true. Why? Because the ASCII value of small c is 99 and the ASCII value of capital C is 67. So 99 is greater than or equal to 67. Next, going to the logical operators. So what is a logical operators? Logical operators are used to evaluate different expressions. First one is logical AND operator. In logical AND operator, if the both operands are non-zero, then it returns 1, or else it returns 0. In C, other than 0, anything is 1. Observe here, these are the examples of logical AND operator. Next, going to the logical OR operator. Second one, in logical OR operator, if any of the two operands or one operand is non-zero, then it returns 1, or else it returns 0. Observe here, these are the examples of logical OR operator. Next, going to the logical NOT operator. Third one, in logical NOT operator, if a condition is true, nothing but 1, then logical NOT operator will make it false, nothing but 0. This is the example of logical NOT operator. Hope you all understand this video. Thank you all.